finally done it. Well, we have now hit 50 videos. This video right here will be the 50th video, this one right here. I'm so excited to announce that we have done this. Well, there will be a lot of stuff coming out. You see this video right here, or this German Empire Control Europe video that I just posted a little bit ago. This video will, the highest comment suggestion on this video, the most liked or highest comment on this video will be what I will do for video 52, I believe. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please, thank you all for coming along this way with me. It's been a long time. We started like at the beginning of this year, and it's almost been a year now. This is our 50th long form video. I've been trying for so long, and I've been pressing through, and we've finally done it. Now this video right here is our 50th video. Thank you guys all for going along this whole way with me. I love you guys for helping me so much. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.